In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down again, tap on Recent and select the best option for you. I will go with Frequency. Now select one of your apps and click on the switcher next to it in order to disable notifications. As you can see, all notifications from my app are now blocked. In order to enable them, click on the same No Gray switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!